Okay, so in addition to whenever it gives one of those like error messages, I noticed when I switch over to the radio setting, this used to play or would show whatever's playing, but now it just shows blank lines. And then there is a red light that will flash here intermittently. I just can't get it, like, and then sporadically. I don't know what it is, but it's just right underneath the temperature sign. And then let's see, the signals, you can hear they sound like whenever you, like, as if a bulb is out also. It's just a fast click. Sometimes it'll pause too, and then it'll click again. And then let's see if the hazards. It's usually the speed. That's what they're usually supposed to go. And then the sunroof is not closing. Windows all seem to work fine. But let's see if we, last time I did this, when I turned it off, so if I lock the car and then unlock the car again, let's try turning it on. Maybe it's the brake light that maybe flashes every so often. I don't know, but it's not depressed or anything. But anyway, so let's turn it on. And let's check. See, now the signals are at a normal tempo. And if I go to radio, if I put on the CD, let's see if that changes anything. That this is going to be showing. Oh, and I forgot also, under the trip, under the gas, the mileage range was not showing before. Now it's showing again, so that's good. Going back to the radio, so it's still not showing the radio, but it did before. If I put it, switch it from this to radio, if it'll change anything. No, that's still not working. Sunroof. Now the sunroof is working, so I'm not really too sure if there's any ideas you can think of